What's going on, guys? Welcome. Today we got an RC review. It's a 1/18 scale monster truck from Rlaarlo. Yeah, let's get into it. Let's see, opening up the box here, we got the truck. Looks really nice, actually. It's got a nice green going on. Let's pull it out. She said. Let's take a look at the truck. Looks nice, looks really nice. The tires feel a little bit firm. Oh, it's got nice lime green shocks to match the body. Nice lime green plastic washer there to also match the body. One thing I noticed is the decals and the stickers. Yeah, the decals and the stickers are all part of the body, so they're not really decals or stickers. So that's good. They're not going to be peeling off. That's fantastic. In the front here, and in the bumper, you have a light bar. Up top, you also have a light bar. Inside the cab, you have the two drivers, the driver and the passenger. They do look pretty sweet. They're pretty detailed. They look nice. A nice skid bar, which is sweet. It's gonna help protect the body some. Now that we're back here, we can talk about the body clips, which is sweet. They have these pull tabs, which are fantastic. I don't know about you guys, but I always jam my fingers with those things. You just got this wheelie bar back here. Under, it's an all plastic chassis. Perfect. Here we also have all plastic axles with the drive cups. Let's take a look under these clips. Use ball pins for this. Yeah. One thing you want to do is when you pull off the body, just be careful because this wire is connected already to the ESC. Excuse me. So yeah, just be careful. Just slightly set it off to the side and you can do whatever you need to do in here. So here we have a green heat sink on a 350 brush motor, I believe. And we got the servo. And down here in the chassis, we have a nice honeycomb design. The bumper feels nice and flexy. Let's see what's up with this. The shock tower also feels flexy, so that's good. That's gonna hold up. The chassis itself, hold on, let me put this down so you guys can see. The chassis itself feels pretty flexible as well. So that's good, that's gonna hold up. I feel like it's gonna be pretty durable. Here in the battery tray, it's got this mechanism that you just kind of pull it out, and then this thing just kind of flops over. So the battery that it comes with is a 7.4 volt, 850 milliamp LiPo. I believe this is a 2S. See here, you have decent space for a bigger battery if you would like. I've seen a couple people run these on 3S. I wouldn't recommend it. I don't think this ESC is rated for that, so do that at your own risk. Here we have the wire for the light bar that goes up to the light bar through the bumper. Let's take a look at the shocks. These shocks are not oil filled, but it doesn't feel terrible. But yeah, all of these guys should come with oil fill shocks at this point. Here, in this little box that comes right out, is the charger for the battery and your extra LiPo. We also have a tool set and 4 extra body clips. Let's see, and then here, I gotta get a stand for filming these things. And here you have the remote, which has got the sweet green foam to match the car. It's got your instructions before you start. Always good to read that before anything. 3 AA batteries. And then you have the instruction manual. One thing that I'm looking for, 2 things I'm looking for is an exploded parts diagram. Oh, there we go. This is the second thing. This is a parts list. This is sweet. So if you break anything, there we go. And there's the exploded parts diagram. This is always good to see, just in case anything goes wrong. You always know how to dissect it, kind of put it back together, order new pieces if you need it. And that's always good to see. That always makes these little cars a little bit more hobby grade than anything else. So yeah, sweet. Sweet. All right, yeah, so yeah, again, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, we're here at my local park. We're gonna take this guy out for a bash and see how it does. Here we go. Let's start it up on some asphalt. Let's let this car pass. Feels good in the hand. You're able to drive with one hand, and I got little hands, so this controller shouldn't be too bad to do that. It's running pretty good. You can see the light bar up in the front. The thing looks nice. Should look sweet at night. Let's take it over to some grass, see how that does. This grass is a little bit longer, so I might struggle here, but let's see what's up. Yeah, I'm struggling just a little bit there. Bigger grass. Let's just take it out there. The friction shocks don't seem too bad on the grass. It seems to be not as bouncy. It's actually a nice surprise. The handle's awesome. It's not too quick, but so it turns nice and sweet on a dime. All right, we're on the shorter grass down, so let's give it a rip here and let's see how it does. This thing looks sweet, man. I can't get over it. I love that body design. All right, let's hit it. The control's really good in the grass, actually. Doesn't get bogged down at all on the shorter grass. It runs really sweet, actually. It's pretty much the same as it runs over there on the asphalt.
It's not the fastest thing, but let me tell you, it is a lot of fun. Yeah, my son's gonna love this guy. The lights do look nice. You can't really tell so much right now because it's a little bright out here, but this thing is really freaking sweet. A couple more close passes. Almost took my foot off there. Yeah, I like it a lot. This thing is a nice buy. It's available on Amazon right now. The original price when it came out was about $99, but as of the time of recording this video, it's currently at $59.99, so it's 60 bucks. If you guys are interested, check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. Yeah, this guy is sweet. Looks really, really nice. Let's check the range on the controller. You guys probably can't see it from here, but it is going out. It's by the soccer post pretty much right about now. And it died out. Yeah, it's not quite at the soccer post. Let's see if we can get it back. Oh, there we go. We got it back. Just walking up a little bit. There we go. Got it coming back. All right, let's wrap this up and let's take it back home, give you guys a final review. All right, guys, we're back. A couple things I want to talk about that I didn't mention before. These friction shocks are actually adjustable, so you can adjust the ride height if you'd like. The body comes with this clear film protector, which is sweet because you can always run it a couple times and then take off that clear film and you basically got a new body. The run time on the car was basically about 15 to 20 minutes. To charge up the battery fully again with the stock charger was about 2 hours. The box claims that the car does 36 kilometers an hour, which is about 22 miles an hour. Perth West Oz RC actually did a speed run on his channel. I'll put a link in the video to that. And he actually came up with 23 kilometers an hour, which is just about 14 miles an hour. Yeah, man, all in all, this car was pretty sweet. I really enjoyed it. I had a great time driving it. I would recommend it to anybody, you know, to pick up, to have a little RC with you. It's good to have these little guys with you because you can take them anywhere. And yeah, it doesn't require a lot to haul them around. But yeah, if you guys like what you see, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.